Want to know how to add indicators to your MT5? Then this video is for you. In this video, I will show you how to add indicators to your MT5, how to modify it to any color of your choice, and the easiest way to do it in MT5. So if this sounds interesting and you want to receive more videos about trading, make sure you click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I make a new video like this. Without further ado, let's jump in. For you to add indicator or moving average or relative strength index or whatever indicator you want your MT5, first of all, you must have MT5 app. Of course, you must have it. So you can download it on Google Play Store or Apple Store depending on the phone you are using. So now, once you download the app, then follow this step. Now, to add indicator, any type of indicator you want to your MT5 is quite simple, and here is how you can do it. You can choose any currency pair you want, maybe Euro JPY, BTC JPY, Euro USD, any currency pair. Then just go to charts, and now once it opens, as you can see here, I have moving average 200, and here is how to add it or remove it. Now just click anywhere on the screen and click this. As you can see, the button, make sure you remember it, click it. Here are all the indicators you need. First of all, we are going to start with moving average. Now just click the moving average and put any moving average period you want. Maybe you can go for 21 moving average. That is my best moving average for day trader. You can click next and click done. Then you can choose whether you want exponential moving average or simple moving average, or even smooth or linear weight moving average. Me, I recommend simple or exponential moving average, and most times I use exponential moving average, so I will leave it as exponential moving average. Then scroll down, you can see styles. You can click the style and edit how you want your moving average to be. You can leave it at 1 pixel, 2 pixel, 3 or 4 pixel. Then click the color. You can use any color you want. Let's change it to yellow. After everything, just click save. Now, as you can see, we have 2 moving averages here. Now, if you go back, you see the moving average has been added to our chart. Here we have 200 moving average and 21 moving average. So now here's how to remove moving average or how to add another indicator. Just go back, click delete, choose any indicator you want to delete and click delete again. Everything will be deleted. If you go back to the chart, you will see we have clean chart. Nothing is here now. And if you want to add another indicator, you can simply go back, then click plus and choose any moving average you want to add. Now let's add relative strength index. This is relative strength index. You can change the pixel, and change the color to any color you want. Then click save. Go back to the chart and you see your RSI. This is it here below the chart. You can also remove it by going back, then click delete and choose delete. So that is how to add indicator to your trading chart in MT5. If this video is helpful, subscribe to the channel and click the like button so you can get notified anytime I drop a new video like this. For now, goodbye, good luck. I'm James. I'm a Forex trader and I want to teach people how to trade Forex. So if you want to know about trading, make sure you click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I drop a new video about trading. For now, goodbye, good luck.